Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel's name is Let's Do Dash Play, and today we are going to work on Airbus.com. Stuff from Airbus.com. So quickly go and get Airbus.com. We can go to Airbus.com, but you can't go this way. So yeah, I need to enter full screen. Click this mark. So if you go here, you can just directly go to Airbus.com. Airbus.com is AIRBUS.com. By typing that, you'll go to your home page of Airbus and click commercial aircraft. Okay, so we will go down here, scroll down, let me throw here. These are our product profile portfolio, which are, I think, the first aircraft, which are great. I like this. The biggest aircraft ever. You can click where you want to learn more, but it's only about this aircraft. You can click this to view the video. There is the volume, of course. This is the whole picture. Look at that website. This website is actually .com. ifly.com. You can search iFly on Google Play or App Store. There is an app store. Yeah. It's like this. You can book flights. But here's the city. And Tacoma. Scroll down to see your country, like number. Airlines here, like Emirates, like Korean Air, Air France, all airlines, American Airways, British Airways, Emirates. But you can go to ifly.com. Airlines. 1 minute. This must download it on App Store or Google Play. So this is I think how that looks like. Like here. Like it looks like this. But you can get the link of the app maybe in the description. Or by going to airbus.com/passenger aircraft cabin comfort airspace /A380-cabin.html. Like it's like this. You can get it anywhere here. You can fly anything on Airbus A380. You can choose destination on the app or on the web browser by going to that link. Even it's on mobile app label. So yeah, it's cool and you can look at it. I have tested out. So and you can go to Air 380 Reality. I think you can view all of the airlines. Here's 380. There must be like an economy class one. Yeah, this is how the economy looks like. And this is the exit. So you can view all stuff here, which I was about to show you guys, with all the airlines. So all airlines, you can click this to check all those airlines destination, like Emirates is 53, Korean Air has 6. No, Air India here. Indian Airlines, High Fly. High Fly is a plane which has no destination. Right there is marking. So this is how you can earn information. You can Seattle, Tacoma to Mumbai, maybe. Search like a booking website. So this is the app. You can search it and get info as well. Bye. Subscribe, like, and share.